There's a real spirit of support for each other and are all passionate about the peer support ethos and give freely their time to attend continuous professional development. The nominator said about the group, "I really appreciate the support I've been given by this group and the whole community."
The charity's ethos is not just to sustain people for a day, but aim to assist in getting them to a better position in life. They believe that everyone should be treated equally, and also they provide a safe place for young people. Their nominator said, "Their work is tireless. They go to areas and towns others may not go to in all weathers, day or night. I think their work is admirable."
This service is a lifeline for many. The work done by the volunteers is outstanding. By working collaboratively, they have changed many lives. Their nominator said, "The Paris Befriending service has helped me make new friends and acquaintances online and introduced me to group meetings. The help and kindness they have provided has been such a help to me.